It's hot in here. The big, beautiful bill. Telling you, you've got to get on top of it. Whether you like the bill, whether you don't like the bill, doesn't matter. What matters is you don't need to get caught off guard, and you don't need to lose a bunch of money and pay way more for things than you have to because of the beautiful bill, okay? Whether you like it, whether you don't, really doesn't matter. What matters is if you got a house that's 15 years old and it's costing you way more than you think, you need to get it taken care of. You need to get those windows checked out. You need to make sure that your windows are up to par, because if you don't, it's going to cost you money in your insurance. It's going to cost you money on your taxes. It's going to cost you money, your AC unit. If you don't replace it now, if you don't replace those windows, you're going to be wearing that AC unit down. You're going to have to replace it way faster than you ever would have to. So let's get ahead of this thing. All right, it's 2025. You still have time. But guess what? Material is low. Labor is low. Time is low. We have to get ahead of this thing. We have to make sure that you get covered. We get you partnered with the right contractor early on. We need to get you partnered with the right one so that they can get you to production. You can't just partner with any contractor. You got to partner with one of the best contractors in our preferred loop. You got to make sure that they're going to get you there on time, because if they don't get you on there on time, it's going to cost you way more money than it ever has to. You're still not going to make it. So it's 2025. You've got about 6 months left, but it's going to take it to get there. You need to act now. We need to get those windows squared away. We need to get that roof squared away. We need to make sure that you're not taken advantage of by the big, beautiful bill. It's either happening to you or it's happening because of you. Make it be because of you. Let's go. You can do this. You got this. Let's do it. The big, beautiful bill. 10X, baby. We need to 10X those windows, 10X those roofs. Let's go. Let's get you squared away, and let's get you protected from the hurricanes and the big, beautiful bill. Let's go.